Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating AirPlay. Make sure both Mac and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi and use the same Apple ID. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on each device to speed discovery. On your Mac, open Control Center and click the screen mirroring or AirPlay icon. This lists nearby devices. Choose your iPhone from that list so the connection request is sent. You're now triggering the session and preparing the devices to negotiate display and audio settings. After selecting your iPhone, you may see a pairing code on the phone screen. Enter it on the Mac or tap Accept on the iPhone to authenticate the session. Once connected, open Displays or AirPlay options on the Mac to pick resolution and scaling so text stays readable and performance stays smooth. Make sure audio routing is set to the desired device and choose full screen or a windowed mirror. If you need touch interaction, remember iPhone remains a display only. Controls stay on the Mac. To finish, click the AirPlay icon on the Mac and choose Stop Mirroring or Disconnect on the iPhone. This cleanly ends the session and frees resources. If it won't connect, restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, sign out then back into your Apple ID, and verify both devices are on the same network. These steps resolve most pairing issues. If you see lag or stutter, reduce mirrored resolution, close heavy apps on the Mac, or move devices nearer the router to improve bandwidth and responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.